Hey guys, this is Rob from Richardson's Whitetail Services. I just want to update you guys on the services and the workshops that we're now offering. We are doing a pre-purchase property evaluation. Let us go with you when you're looking to buy a piece of property. We go over it and make sure the wildlife habitat is there. It's always important to make sure it's up to your standards and it's going to offer you what you're looking for. Next, we also offer, as always, our full property consultation if you already own the property. Our consultations include a written report, maps, soil test, and a lot more. We find the bedding, the trails, anything you need to know, we can find it and let you know how you need to use that property. Then, we are also offering workshops. On 4/30, we're offering a 15-person maximum outdoor scouting and trail cameras, locate and pattern mature bucks course. This one's awesome. It's on the ground. It's in the woods. We take you and show you things that you may not have known about big bucks. Next, every Saturday in August, in different locations throughout the state, you can check that out on our website, which I'll show you here in a minute. We're doing a tracking and still hunting mature whitetails course. That one is very inclusive and covers a lot of information. So, I'm sick of talking, so I'm going to put this up there so you know where to look.